Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Today I'm with Abdul Hakim bin Abdul Razak and Muhammad Adam bin Khairul Iswar. We'll talk about الفعل المضارع. ماذا يعني الفعل المضارع? So we will talk about الفعل المضارع. الفعل المضارع is a present or future tense. الفعل المضارع is created by adding الاسم ضامر وفعل المضارع. الضمائر consists of هو, هما, هم, يا, هن, أنت, أنتما, أنتم, أنتي, أنتنا, أنا, نحن. I will pass to Adam.
Moving on, let's see how we could apply the fi'l mudari in a sentence. For example, for ismul dhamir huwa, which means he, we add the letter ya in front of the verb. Almost most of the verbs such as yarji'u, yajrisu, yakra'u, and yaktubu here, which means she, and instead of we place the word ta at the front of every verb. For example, dhahaba became tadhabu, anta, and essentially anta and hiya is pretty much the same. We also put the letter ta in front, so hiya and ta is pretty much the same. Anti, we add an extra 2 letters at the end of each verb, which is the letter ya and the letter nun. The letter ana, which means I or me. And for the ismu dhamir or pronouns of ana is we put the letter alif at the front. For example, alhabu, arji'u, and last but not least, ismu dhamir nahnu, which means we. For this, we put nun at the front of the verb. For example, tadhabu, narji'u, nadrusu, nakra'u, and naktubu.
Moving on, we will look at the examples of fi'lul mudari' in al-jumlah. The first one is at-tullab yashabuna ila al-madrasati. The term at-tullab shows that it is jamak muzakkar. Thus, the word yashabuna, the root word for it is zahaba. If it is jamak muzakkar, we add ya at the front and waw nun at the back. Thus, it becomes yashabuna. The second example is tatanawalu al-bintu al-aruzal makliya. The term al-bintu shows that it is mu'annas. Thus, we use ta in tatanawalu. The third example is at-talibatani tumarisani ar-riyadata fil mal'ab. The term at-talibatani shows that it is musanna. Thus, and it is muannas, musanna muannas. Thus, we add ta and alif nun at the word tumarisani. That is all from us. Thank you.